Realistic designs. When we depict any object true to its form, shape and characteristics and capture it in its present state, we get realistic designs. In other words, making the object as it is in any media is a realistic design. It is a technique of making designs in their true detailing. For example, when we make a portrait or a still life of fruits set on a table or a plant in the garden and follow the exact shape, form and use the exact colors as they are, we make them as real as possible. In textile design, for example, in prints, we can have scenes and pictures of flowers, fruits, butterflies and fish which can be made realistically and use them as all over or border designs. Abstract designs. Definition. When we depict any object by just giving a feel of its form, shape and characteristics and not draw it in its present state, we get abstract designs. In other words, distorting the actual object such that it is enough to roughly figure out what the inspiration was but is not in its actual state is abstract design. It is a style or technique of making designs with subtle details that indicate what the original image was without following its actual and original colors, textures, etc. The abstract designs need not be anything at all. Many artists render objects and play abstractly such that the character or the feeling is portrayed but not the actual object. It is a style more to create and express an emotion and or stylize the design. In textile design, we have lots of abstraction. Whenever you need to do something new and interesting, people try and take traditional motifs and contemporize and stylize them, and one of the techniques to do so is by expressing the motifs in abstraction.